Resting along the northern coast of Benin Republic's Lake Noko is a strange fishing village called Ganvie has become one of the country's most fascinating tourist destinations. Ganvie was created during the 16th century by the Tofinu people who lived near Cotonou. They fled to Lake Noko when the powerful Fon tribe of Dahomey was hunting for other native tribesmen to capture and sell into slavery. According to the story told, the Fon tribe believed that the Noko lake is cursed and demons live in the lake, so that terrified and prevented them from going into the lake. This made the lake a safe place for the Tofinu tribe, and the Tofinu people built their homes on the lake. And for the next 500 years, Ganvie developed a complex and thriving culture within the limitations of living on the lake. With over 20,000 residents, Ganvie is probably the largest lake village in Africa. Most people in the village depend on fishing and tourism for their income. Almost all the houses, shops, markets and restaurants in the village are built on wooden stones several meters above the water. Only the school and the cemetery were built on solid ground. The soil needed in order to do so was brought on boats by the villagers. About 10,000 tourists visit the lakeside village of Ganvie annually, which brings in up to 30.5 million francs, which is about $58,100 per annum.
This one, land, no water. I got him mad. Sorry. Everybody dey vex.
My guy.
How far now?
Morning, sir.
How you dey?
I dey fine.
No. Are they okay?
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you find this video very informative and interesting. If you do, you already know what to do. Hit the like button below, share with your family and friends, and subscribe. I will see you when next time I talk to you. Gordy.